Hi, this is Mr. B. I have an instructional video to help you submit your audition to our Google Classroom for Annie the Musical. It's a little bit complicated. Some kids have done it successfully, but I want to make sure that everyone was walked through the process. Sometimes, and we've got younger kids involved, sometimes, just kind of reading the instructions, you need a little bit more detail. So I hope to give you that detail. So you obviously have signed up for the Google Classroom. You've done that successfully. Here is the front page. The front page has got on it our stream of comments, and it's like a chat kind of box or something, and people give us questions and we answer them, Mrs. Smith and I. But where you want to go to figure all this out is to up here, the Classwork. So I press Classwork, and it has this assignment, video for first audition for Annie. So this is first round audition to Annie. And all of the details are here in this box. And I'm going to walk you through it in a second. Everything, including all of the tracks at the very bottom that you'll listen to. Now, there are 6 audio tracks down here. You'll only be auditioning with one audio track. So let's say you choose the song Maybe to audition with. Here's a version of Maybe right here that has the words, someone singing along with it. And then there's a version of Maybe that's just a karaoke track, just the instruments. If you're singing along to Maybe, you are going to sing along to the karaoke track that only has the instruments, because we, of course, want to hear your voice. Let me go back up to the top and walk you through this, okay? So we've got this right over here. Oops, the tippy top. There we go. It's open to all 4th through 7th graders. Here are the performances. There'll be at least 2 rounds of auditions. This is round 1. Maximum cast size is approximately 40. It might be less than that just because of, what we're able to do with a correct size cast. You have to be available for rehearsals in the morning at 7:45, and then other rehearsals will be in the afternoon at 4:15. We will never have people rehearsing in the morning and then also in the afternoon. It'll be one or the other, but the rehearsal schedule will be posted at the time of casting. But you need to be available for both. You'll need to submit a short video to this Google Classroom, and I'm going to walk you through all of the particulars of how to do it. It says the videos are due by Friday, December 3rd, but we've extended it to Saturday, December 4th. In the video, you'll start out by saying your name, your grade level, your homeroom teacher's name, and then any shows that you've performed in, including performances you have done in your schools. Now, if you have zero experience in theater, that's totally fine. We're just curious what experience you have. That won't disqualify you. You'll then need to sing a small portion of the songs that we've uploaded. Now, notice the marking of the seconds. All right, you're not singing the entire song Maybe. The entire song Maybe is, a couple minutes long. You're singing from the marking of 4 seconds to the marking of 24 seconds. It's a 20-second clip. Very, very short. So that is where you'll begin, and it starts, maybe far away, and you'll sing it with the karaoke track. So if you're a girl, you can choose from the following. You can either sing the little excerpt of Maybe or the little excerpt of You're Never Fully Dressed Without a Smile. And that has markings also from 11 seconds to 25 seconds. Again, a very short clip. We just want to see how well you can sing for this first round. If you're a boy, you can choose from the following. A little clip from You're Never Fully Dressed, again from 11 seconds to 25 seconds on the recording. Or you won't be an orphan for long, and that would be more for boys' voices who have changed and who would be doing more of an adult role, like a Daddy Warbucks or something like that. We've provided the vocal tracks. We've provided the lyrics. You can see the lyrics here. All of this to help you feel prepared for your audition and your recording. Now, after we review your video auditions, we will do a series of callbacks. Here's the timeline you can see for the callbacks. We'll announce who's coming back for the first callbacks. and which will be on Wednesday. We'll release the list on Monday. And it will be in my music room on the half day at 1:15. Those kids would stay afterwards, and we'll release you guys. Your parents will drive you home later on in the afternoon. You won't go back home on that day at the half day. You'll stick around with us. The second callback list will be released on Wednesday evening, and then the final cast list will be released either Sunday the 12th online or earlier. Hopefully we'll be able to release it earlier. But we want to be very, very smart about who we cast and set people up for success. We want to put people in a role where they will be successful, where they won't be overwhelmed by it, and where they can really shine. That's what we try to do. The recordings for your first audition, the video audition that's due by December 3rd are attached below. Again, it's December 4th, not the 3rd. Also, if you can watch Annie on Thursday night, you'll get a better idea of the characters. Here are the characters, and here are the recordings down here that you will use. Okay, now, let's get to the classroom, all right? So this is the classwork. I'm going to view the assignment. Okay, and here are all of the kids, 86 so far have signed up. Here are all the kids that have signed up. Some of them, as you can see, have successfully submitted their audition video. But a lot of them are still working on submitting the video, and that's totally fine. That's not a problem. If you are having a technical issue of submitting your video, these are the things that seem to work for people, and we've put instructions up here. The thing that seemed to work for people is they would video themselves with either like Screencastify or on their Chromebook or maybe with an iPhone. There's lots of ways to do it. And then they would upload it to Google Drive. Once you upload it to Google Drive, you'll go to your assignment and you'll be able to upload it from or download it from Google Drive to this assignment, and then it'll populate and we'll be able to look at your video, and then we'll get back to you. So if you have any questions about that, certainly contact us and we'll make sure that we do what we can to help you. But that should cover all the bases. I wish everybody luck and thank you all for listening.